Hello, I'm Allison from the Signify US Channel Marketing Team, introducing our ready-to-go products. The EvoKit Click makes refreshing a workspace with reliable, high-quality LED lighting easier and more cost-effective than ever before. The new EvoKit Click is an aesthetically pleasing and efficient LED retrofit kit designed to bring a refreshed, sleek, and modern look to your building. All models meet DLC lumens per watt efficiency standards, and high-efficiency models offer up to 149 lumens per watt. The EvoKit Click fits into most existing 2x2, 2x4, and 1x4 fluorescent troffers and can be easily installed without hiring expensive labor. Its innovative bulk 4-pack packaging enables significant waste reduction and reduces storage space with 60 2x4 kits per pallet to make your transition to LED lighting clean and seamless. EvoKit Click is offered in 0 to 10 volt dimming models or factory-installed space-wise DT models, which features dwell-time functionality to determine light transitioning and output, as well as the use of a mobile app to ensure enhanced flexibility and commissioning. These models also allow for in-field tuning via our Multi-One mobile phone app. With its low price and clean and simple 5-minute installation, EvoKit Click is a cost-effective and efficient solution for renovation projects. To learn more about Philips energy-saving LED lamp solutions, visit philips.com/LED lamps.